How to buy Amazon Coin crypto online. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Amazon Coin is not actually a cryptocurrency in the traditional sense. It's a digital currency that Amazon uses to make purchases within its own ecosystem. So, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Amazon.com. You will need an Amazon account. If you don't have one, you can go ahead and create an Amazon account. Now, navigate to the Amazon Coins page. Further, select the amount of Amazon coins. Choose the amount of Amazon coins you want to buy. The prices typically range from small amounts, example, 1 USD for 100 coins to larger bundles. You can pay using any of the accepted methods on Amazon such as credit cards, debit cards, gift cards, etc. Now, go ahead and complete the purchase. After confirming your payment, Amazon coins will be credited to your account. Once you have Amazon coins, you can use them to purchase apps, games, and in-app content on Amazon's App Store. So, this is how you can buy Amazon crypto online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.